growing long, healthy hair isn't just about genetics anymore. In 2025, we have smarter techniques, science-backed routines, and breakthrough products that actually help your hair grow longer and stronger, faster than ever before. In this video, I'm sharing a complete step-by-step hair growth routine that's perfect for anyone tired of breakage, slow growth, or thinning ends. Let's get into it. 1. Understand your hair growth cycle. First, let's quickly talk science. Your hair goes through 3 phases. Anagen, the growth phase. Catagen, a short transition phase. Telogen, the resting and shedding phase. In 2025, more focus is on extending the anagen phase with lifestyle changes, proper nutrition, and scalp care. Now let's dive into the real action steps. 2. Prioritize scalp health. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair. Think of it like your garden. If the soil is dry or clogged, nothing will grow well. Start with weekly scalp oiling using rosemary oil, black seed oil, or peppermint oil, all proven to boost circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Add in a scalp serum if you're dealing with thinning. Look for ingredients like caffeine, peptides, or niacinamide. Use a scalp brush to boost blood flow while massaging. Spend at least 5 minutes massaging, it makes a huge difference over time. 3. Wash the right way. Overwashing or using the wrong shampoo can stall growth. Stick to washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week using a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Look for nourishing ingredients like aloe vera, rice water, or biotin. Don't forget. Always focus shampoo on your scalp, not your ends. Condition from mid-length to ends only. 4. Feed your hair from the inside. Hair is made of keratin, a protein. So if you're not eating enough protein or key vitamins, your hair simply won't grow. Add more of these to your diet. Eggs, rich in biotin. Spinach, full of iron. Salmon, packed with omega. Nuts and seeds, zinc and healthy fats. Consider a hair supplement with biotin, vitamin D, and folic acid, especially if you're vegetarian or often skip meals. 5. Handle your ends with care. Hair growth isn't just about how fast it grows, it's about how well you retain length. Trim split ends every 10 to 12 weeks, not too often. Switch to a wide-toothed comb or use a detangling brush on damp hair with leave-in conditioner. Avoid super tight hairstyles that cause stress on your roots. 6. Nighttime protection. Most breakage happens while we sleep. Here's what you can do. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction. Tie your hair in a loose braid or bun to prevent tangling. Apply a light overnight oil or leave-in serum to keep your ends hydrated. 7. Trending in 2025, hair growth tech. This year, new tools are changing the hair game. LED scalp devices use red light therapy to boost follicle activity. Microneedling rollers stimulate collagen and help serums absorb better. Hair stem cell serums, these are on the rise, though pricey, and may help in patchy hair growth areas. Use these tools 1 to 2 times a week with care, and always follow the instructions. 8. Be consistent plus track progress. Real talk, hair grows about ½ an inch per month on average. Don't expect Rapunzel overnight. But if you follow these steps consistently, you'll start seeing real results in just 6 to 8 weeks. Track your growth monthly with pictures or a measuring tape. Bonus tip, use affirmations like "My hair is growing healthy and strong every day. Mindset matters more than you think." So, that's your 2025 hair growth routine, simple, science-backed, and powerful. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more beauty and self-care tips every week.